Good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:35 p.m. and today is 21st of March 2018. How are you guys? What is happening? What's going on? So how's the market? So let's look at market. Some of the stocks, how are they doing? How is Nifty doing? How is everything in the market? So one stock that has caught my eye since morning is NIT Tech. NIT Tech, this has been just going absolutely, and it's been not going today, it's been going for the past many days. It's been just going up. I started trading in this stock on this from this particular day onwards, which is 20th of February onwards, and see the flight it has been taking up, hugely upward every single day. So this was a trade, which I have been really, almost every day I've been doing. And another stock that I had on my radar was Jubilant Food. Look at the flight that it has taken today. I have its call also in the, I've put its call also in the, here, but I couldn't enter into it because by the time I could enter, I wanted to enter at 17 rupees. It went way below, way above that, so it went to 18, 19. I wanted to enter somewhere here, 16 rupees 95 paisa. And look at what a beautiful run up the stock is having. Just a massive movement the stock is having. So definitely these are all future stocks and the option stocks. So when a future stock goes up, its options will also give you a good amount of money. As I was telling you yesterday, that in such, whenever you identify a good stock, right, whenever you identify a good stock after the morning range breakout. So today was a beautiful morning range. It had tiny little candle. It was the tiniest little candle ever that you can think about, the Jubilant Food, which was for about 12 points, and see how beautifully it has broken and it's heading up. So this was a very nice trade in the making in the morning, right? So identify such trades and take its call. Like one call itself. As I told you, I was wanting to buy it at 17 rupees. Lot size is how much? 500. It's given to 10 points. 5,000 would have been our profit. Our exposure was 8,500 rupees, and 5,000 would have been our profit. But I couldn't enter at that time because according to me, the price has gone little beyond than what I had wanted to enter at. So anyway, this happens. And this Marico was my yesterday's BTST stock. Yesterday's BTST stock was Marico. See the beautiful, huge run up that it had in the morning. Huge run up yesterday. And see, after a bit of profit booking, again it is heading up. So I want to bring to your notice, guys, as I was telling you, Oberoi Reality. It went up. I mean, we bought it somewhere at some point at 532. It came down. I said nothing to worry about. Hold your stocks because they will give a good run up the moment Nifty will be little positive. You look at any stock that you want to look at. You look at HET, you want to look at Oberoi Reality, you want to look at Shankara. All of them are doing pretty fine. Not only that, I have talked about I have discussed about the stocks like Cyient. Look at the beautiful run up Cyient has given today. Solid movement it has given. And Shilpa Medicare. That's just this resistance at the top has to be broken, and once it's broken, it is going to head up. And then New Land Laboratories. If you have bought it, keep it in your portfolio above this price. It will be really good. Above 748, it will go up till about 760, and if it crosses 760, then there is no looking back till about 890 rupees. That is what I believe will happen into this stock, right? Okay, so always rely, like I told you, this is my holding. These are my holdings, right? This is my holding in HET. Beautiful stock and beautiful return. I mean, not My 2.5 lakh is now 2,95,000 rupees, because HED, which was the other day giving me a profit of 54,000, is little down, but doesn't matter. Equity you can hold. Equity you can hold. There is no problem about it. There shouldn't be a panic attack. Now let's come back to Nifty. Before I go on to Nifty, I want to tell you guys that you have to, we are coming with a lot of products for you. We're making it very cost effective. You will find it one of the most reasonably priced webinar. We'll make it into small parts, and this last live webinar is just about to get over, and then you will have many more opportunities. Just contact my team and be in touch with them, whether through Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, or email, or you can just simply chat with them, and I'm sure you will have a good time, in learning about market. So let's look into the market, what's happening into Nifty. So Nifty again looks to me a little vulnerable today, because it's been just struggling. See here, let me start from here. See at the top, you see the ceiling at the top. Nifty had a huge problem in crossing this ceiling, which is 10,254 or 10,257. It had a huge problem in crossing it once, twice, thrice, four times. Four times Nifty tried and it could not cross. MACD crossover, RSI crossover, and again there was a struggle over here. But Nifty did not, sustain the movement or the little support that it was getting over here. And again it is coming down. Now if it crosses this support with volumes, means Nifty definitely in today's time it does plan to go down, right? It does plan to go down. So if you look into Nifty option chain, it doesn't give me much idea. You know why? Because the call unwinding happening. So let me just refresh and see what's happening here. So the call unwinding still exists here at this level, right? There is call unwinding happening at this level, but there is no put writing happening. No put writing happening is a bigger indication. Rather, there is a put writing happening at this level, 12,62,000. But that is in the money. Out of the money, there is no put writing, not much put writing happening. So the support that I see Nifty has is about at 10,100. Let's see if this is broken, then the next stop for Nifty will be 10,178. If that is broken, then the next stop over for Nifty will be 10,165, and so on and so forth. Now let's see what happens in the cash graph. Let me just give you the supports with respect to the cash graph. So wherever we stand right now is one of the biggest support at 10,164. Wherever it opened, wherever Nifty opened today, 10,100 and what was the low today? 10,178. That is the biggest support Nifty has. And if Nifty crosses that, if Nifty breaks that, then in next few days, next couple of days, Nifty will head down, right? I mean, this support has to be honored no matter what. If Nifty has to hold itself, this support has to be, like today's low has to be honored, right? So until let's go to 5 minutes and fine tune our strategy and see what's happening here. So if you look into 5 minutes, I feel there also Nifty is experiencing a resistance. Nifty tried to go up, had an resistance, it experienced a resistance and came down. So there is a battle going on. I want to just once again go back to the option chain. If you see, there's a conflict in the option chain and what the graphs are telling. Option chain tells me that Nifty has a probability of going up, right? Whereas the graph doesn't tell me that. Graph shows that there is a resistance. Nifty has taken up this resistance. So until the support is massively honored, according to me, Nifty will remain a little negative only, right? Nifty will remain a little negative only. So now let's put our boundaries, what it should cross to be able to show us a good support, right? What should it cross? It first and foremost has to cross 10,225. If Nifty goes from here 20-25 points up, then I would say Nifty is in a positive frame. Otherwise, Nifty is not, because this barrier Nifty is not being able to cross for quite good time. Okay. So this is my analysis on Nifty. And according to me, I mean, if you ask me, there is so much of oscillation happening in the market, sometime up, sometime down. But according to me, by looking at the candle formation, to me, Nifty looks little weak only. I can't say that it is. If it crosses this level, which is 10,186, then Nifty definitely plans to go down. The Nifty at least will go down to 20, 30, 40 points, right? Until this level, which is 10,178, 160. Until this point, I could see a fall coming in if it breaks this support that I have marked, which is at the value of 10,186. Okay. So hope for the best, and trade well and trade with precaution, trade with caution, trade with stop losses, trade with being absolutely alert. And if you are trading in the equity, you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry at all. No matter what, you will be fine. Only thing that you need to worry right now is your futures and the options, because they do not show any kind of certainty. So let's see what's happening in science. Of course, these stocks are doing pretty good. Nothing to worry about. The stocks. Graph Finance. I gave Graph Finance somewhere, I don't know when, but today there seems to be some volumes. Right? So identify good stocks. I would say more than intraday, one has to just trade in equity. Equity gives you consistent income. It gives you a passive income, and it gives you a consistent income. Best of the CEO, best of the company managers work for you day and night. See the fight. Can you see the fight? This candle formation. Every time Nifty tries to go up, it comes down. Every time. So let's see what happens at 2 o'clock and 2:15. If it crosses this support, it may fall further. All right. So take care of your trades, take care of your money, and hold it tightly. If you're in equity, no need to worry. No need to worry at all. Only need to worry if you are in futures or options, right? And please have a mindset to learn about the market and earn money every day for your entire life. Earn money every day for your entire life. So I'm saying that keep your losses away and take up the training. Of course, we will be starting in April, first week of April. I'm waiting for you guys to join, and you will have something way beyond, much more than what we have been giving till today, and a beautiful opportunity for you to learn and get your money back through your learning. With this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all every day, right? I'm sure you will all learn and then earn the market. Good day. Bye-bye. See you.